Where am I? This jungle is huge. I need to find my way back home. Oh, dinosaur?
Don't be afraid. I won't harm you.
Oh my God. I must be hallucinating. I can hear a dinosaur speaking.
I am real and I can speak. My name is ABCWordzilla, but everyone calls me Big Dino. I will help you cross this jungle, but first you must pronounce.
That word is longer than the jungle.
Don't worry, I'll teach you step by step. Repeat after me. Numino, ultra, microscopic, silico, volcano, cano, cuyus. Try one more time. You did a mistake in the last word.
Numo, microspas, and nasosoap. Oh.
Try again. This time say slowly.
Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcano. Oh. Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis.
Well done! You pronounced one of the longest words in English. I never thought a dinosaur would be my English teacher. Follow me. I'll show you the way out of the jungle.
Thank you, Teacher Dino.
Remember, big words become easy when you learn them step by step.
And remember to subscribe to ABCWordzilla for more amazing words.
Subscribe ABCWordzilla channel for more words.
Mumone motrim insuranspra.
No, try again.
Monimo maxilli braduus. Pneumono ultrarapic.
No, try again.
Nomamo vogulacapis.
Excellent.
Wow, I can't believe I got it.
No, try again.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silica vacigonjo.